Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather, September 14th, 2024. On the satellite picture, we got the clouds coming down from the north. That's a backdoor cold front because it comes north to south instead of west to east. So that'll cool us down later on in the afternoon, especially along the coastline. We've got endless summer continuing. Out in the backyard, the sun is out. Temperatures on the mild side. It'll warm up this week coming up. And I have concerns about fall fire season because of the dryness we've had and we're going to have the next 7 to 10 days. Sun and clouds mix today, an onshore breeze, especially along that coastline east and northeast, 5 to 15 as that front comes down from the north. Mountains are run for 80, inland 78, and the coast low 70s as that front cools us off just a bit. Here it is on the wind forecast. You can see where that wind is starting to come onshore from the onshore flow, from the cold front coming down. It switches the wind direction and pulls that onshore flow. But this afternoon, the wind will die down later on today, not a strong cold front. Humidity tracker showing 60s for dew points. Now, the dew point's the measure of moisture in the atmosphere. When that number's around 60, you can kind of feel it a bit. It's a little bit on the sticky side today, especially in southern Maine, not so much up in the county, in the Central Highlands. For the Mariners, a little bit breezy early on today because of the front, and then that front dies down and things go back to around 1 foot. As far as the seas go, and the breeze is going to be around 5-10 knots. That is it. For the weekend, rest of today, we're close to 80, cooler at the coast. And then tomorrow, we are in the 80s, and we'll get the onshore flow. Sea breeze will come onshore again, so the coast only 72 on your Sunday. Another great day for outdoor activities. What it's not great for the farmers, for the crops, irrigation situation going on, because of this big blocking pattern. It's a big ridge in the atmosphere. So think about the weather highway up in the sky where all the storms are traveling. And think about there's like a highway where you're driving on and there's a big traffic jam. Okay, so we're going to have a traffic jam on the weather highway, a blocking pattern that's going to stop any storms from getting our way. Even anything really tropical too. So we won't get the much needed rain that we need because of that blocking pattern. So if you take the futurecast out 7-10 days, you don't see a lot of green, if any, really nothing to really wet the ground or give us that measurable precipitation that we need. So if you look at the drought situation and how much dryness we have, I expect the next time that this data gets put into the office here, we're going to have an expansion of this drought from the south to the north. Which means, you go to the 10-day forecast here, I'll take things out a good several days, 7 to 10, and you'll notice the big ridge where we warm up in Eastport, close to 80, which is very warm for this time of the year in Eastport, down east. And Bar Harbor, a run for 82, and then in Augusta, mid-80s. So the farther you get away from that ocean and that marine influence, you're going to have a run of the temperatures really going up quite high. But then we do cool down. We'll get into a fall feel as we get later into next week. Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather. I'll see you on social media.